Hey! In front of me is Nokia XR20 and today I would like to show you how you can customize theme of your keyboard on this Nokia. Start by accessing settings. Now scroll all the way down, choose System, Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard and Keyboard. Then go into Theme and tap on this plus sign under My Themes. From here you need to select a photo, click on it, pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Then tap on Next and adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Finally click Done and tap on the switcher next to key borders to disable or enable them. When you're ready, choose Apply. So now when I go back, I can see that theme of my keyboard was successfully customized. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!